PowerStop rear brake kits improve braking performance, safety, reliability, and vehicle control for confident driving. My today's video is about top 5 best washing machine that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Detroit Axle Rear Brake Kit. This PowerStop rear brake kit is a great replacement option for compatible Cadillac, Chevrolet, and GMC vehicles, offering improved braking performance and reliability. The kit includes 2 drilled and slotted rotors, premium ceramic brake pads, and necessary hardware for a complete installation. The rotors are designed to exceed OEM specifications, providing excellent fit, finish, and enhanced stopping power. I appreciate the drilled and slotted design, which helps improve heat dissipation and braking consistency during demanding driving conditions. The ceramic brake pads deliver smooth, quiet stops while offering longer service life compared to standard metallic pads. Installation is straightforward for the listed vehicle models, making it a convenient upgrade for drivers looking to restore or enhance their braking system. Overall, this brake kit provides a strong combination of durability, performance, and reduced brake noise, making it a worthwhile investment for maintaining safe and confident vehicle operation. Now our second product is Detroit Axle Rear Brake Kit. This front wheel bearing and hub assembly kit is a reliable replacement solution for compatible AWD, 4WD, and 4x4 vehicles. Designed for a wide range of Cadillac, Chevrolet, and GMC models, it includes both front left and right hub assemblies for a complete repair. The 6-lug, 3-bolt triangular flange design ensures proper fitment on supported vehicles, while the integrated ABS sensor wire helps maintain accurate wheel speed monitoring. I appreciate that the kit is specifically designed for 4WD applications, making it easier to find the correct replacement part for demanding vehicles. The durable construction provides smooth wheel operation and helps restore driving stability and safety. Installation is straightforward for those with mechanical experience, and replacing both sides together can help ensure balanced performance. Overall, this wheel bearing hub assembly kit offers a practical combination of compatibility, convenience, and dependable performance for maintaining the front end system of trucks and SUVs. Our third product is PowerStop Rear Brake Kit. This Z26 carbon fiber ceramic brake upgrade kit is an excellent choice for drivers seeking enhanced braking performance and durability. The complete kit includes front carbon fiber ceramic brake pads, drilled and slotted disc rotors, and installation hardware, providing everything needed for a performance upgrade. Designed for high-performance vehicles, it delivers stronger stopping power for high-horsepower cars and modified builds that require confident braking under demanding conditions. The drilled and slotted rotors help improve heat dissipation, reducing brake fade during intense driving, while the silver zinc dichromate coating helps protect against rust and corrosion. The carbon fiber ceramic pads provide smooth, reliable braking with excellent performance characteristics. I also appreciate the included 36-month/36,000-mile limited warranty, which adds extra confidence in the product's quality. Overall, this brake kit offers a great balance of performance, protection, and long-term reliability for enthusiasts looking to upgrade their vehicle's braking system. Now number 4, PowerStop Rear Brake Kit. This Z36 carbon fiber ceramic front brake kit is a strong upgrade for truck and SUV owners who want improved stopping performance and durability. The complete kit includes 2 carbon fiber ceramic brake pads, 2 drilled and slotted rotors, and installation hardware, making it a convenient direct-fit replacement solution. The upgraded Z36 pads provide stronger braking power than standard replacements while maintaining quiet operation and long-lasting performance. The drilled and slotted rotors are designed to improve heat dissipation, helping reduce brake fade during heavy-duty driving or towing conditions. The silver zinc dichromate coating adds extra protection against rust and corrosion, helping extend the life of the braking components. Installation is straightforward when matched with the correct vehicle fitment, and the included 36-month/36,000-mile limited warranty provides added confidence. Overall, this brake kit delivers a great combination of enhanced stopping power, durability, and reliability, making it an excellent choice for drivers looking to improve their vehicle's braking system. And our last choice is PowerStop Rear Brake Kit. This complete Z36 carbon fiber ceramic brake kit is an excellent upgrade for drivers seeking improved braking performance and a premium appearance. The kit includes front and rear Z36 carbon fiber ceramic brake pads, 4 drilled and slotted rotors, and 4 red powder-coated calipers, providing a full braking system enhancement. The upgraded ceramic pads deliver stronger stopping power compared to standard replacements while maintaining quiet operation and long-lasting durability. The drilled and slotted rotors help release heat efficiently, reducing brake fade during demanding driving conditions, while the silver zinc dichromate plating adds protection against rust and corrosion. The red powder-coated calipers not only enhance durability but also give the vehicle a sporty, upgraded look. With proper vehicle fitment confirmation, installation is straightforward for a complete brake refresh. Backed by a 36-month/36,000-mile limited warranty, this kit offers added confidence. Overall, it's a high-performance brake upgrade that combines safety, style, and reliable stopping power for everyday and heavy-duty driving. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.